AI battlefield robots to be built in the UK. The UK is about to welcome a new kind of recruit to the battlefield, autonomous land drones built right here on British soil. German defence tech company ARX Robotics is investing £45 million into a new facility in southwest England. The high-tech hub will produce drone designed for reconnaissance, casualty evacuation and transport, helping to keep soldiers safer by taking some of the riskiest jobs. At the heart of this project is the Gereon ground drone, a rugged powerhouse that can carry up to 500 kilograms, travel 25 miles and keep going for 72 hours on a single charge, all controlled via tablet. No joystick wizardry required. The new facility will also work on upgrading existing armoured vehicles with autonomous tech, giving the UK Armed Forces a faster, more cost-effective route to modernisation. With battlefield tech evolving rapidly, especially in response to the war in the Ukraine, this move positions the UK in the forefront of defence and innovation. As one general put it, why send a man when a machine can go? The future of defence, smart, scalable and soon proudly made in Britain. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy and I'll see you next time.